Hey designers! In this tutorial, I'll show you how to design an M logo using the grid technique, inspired by the rich craftsmanship of the Moroccan leather industry.
First, create a new file at 2000 x 2000 px. Then, draw a square outline, as shown here. Go to the Object menu, choose Path, and select Split into Grid. Set the grid to 15 rows and 15 columns.
Then, group all the squares. Duplicate the group and rotate it by 45 degrees. Next, draw a vertical line and change its color to red. Now, focus here. We're going to draw a circle, just like you see. Finally, add 2 lines along the edge of the circle. Just follow along with me. Then, group all the squares. Duplicate the group and rotate it by 45 degrees. Next, draw a vertical line and change its color to red. Now, focus here. We're going to draw a circle, just like you see. Finally, add 2 lines along the edge of the circle. Just follow along with me. Once you've finished drawing your object, right-click it and cut it. Then delete everything else on the artboard. Paste it back. Boom, here we are. Now go to Object, Path, Offset Path, and set the value to 15px. Select everything, switch to the Shape Builder tool, and start removing the extra edges by holding Alt while clicking. Just follow my steps and you'll get it perfectly clean. You can add an artistic touch to the awl by drawing 2 lines as shown, then using the Shape Builder tool with Alt to remove the unwanted section. If you prefer, you can also leave it as is. At the final touch, we'll add typography to the logo mark. In my case, I'm using this style. I hope you're enjoying this tutorial. If you do, make sure to hit the subscribe button and give it a like. It really encourages us to create more videos like this. And if you have something specific you want me to make, just let me know in the comments. See you in the next one.